advanced science, technology, and innovation. This recognition will be handed to our awardees by our DOST Secretary, represented by our DOST Undersecretary for Research and Development, NRCP President, the respective chair of the NRCP division to which the awardee belongs, and the NRCP Executive Director.
So let's not keep them waiting and let the awarding begin. So may we call on stage our presenters. DOST Undersecretary for R&D, Dr. Leah J. Buendia, NRCP President, Dr. Amy Lynn Barrion Lupo, NRCP Executive Director, Dr. Bernardo N. Cepeda.
Gagawa tayo sa meron type hangout using tire.
It is my distinct honor to present the 2024 NRCP Member Emeritus Award, recognizing senior members for their outstanding contributions to the NRCP and their role in inspiring future scientists. To give us a glimpse of their work and advocacies, we have prepared a short